And as you can see, we started off with someone in a robot suit, sort of down, and then we've progressed dramatically year after year.
Looking good, guys.
So if you extrapolate this, you're really going to have something spectacular, something that anyone could own. So you can have your own personal R2-D2 C-3PO.
Soup.
And I think at scale, this would cost something like, I don't know, $20,000-$30,000. Probably less than a car, is my prediction, long term. Now, take us a minute to get to the long term, but fundamentally at scale, the Optimus robot, you should be able to buy an Optimus robot for, I think, probably $20,000 to $30,000 long term. So, and what can it do? It'll be able to do anything you want. So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids. It can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of, it will do. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Come here, babe.
I think this would be the biggest
Come here.
ever.
Come here. Tesla Boomer Mama wants you. Woo. Come here.
Because I think everyone of the 8 million people on Earth,
Come here, baby.
wants their Optimus Prime. And there's going to be something too. And then they'll be producing products and services. I predict actually provided we address super intelligence, 80% probability of good outcome.
You're talking?
Look on the bright side. The cup is 80%.
That makes sense.
The cost of products and services will decline dramatically. And basically anyone will be able to have any products and services they want.
Come here and help me,
Will
Ira.
be
Yeah! And a
the
fist
likes of
bump.
which people have no one has envisioned. It'll be something
Air
special.
pump, air pump.
So
Love your hands.
now one of the things we wanted to show tonight was that Optimus is not a canned video. It's not walled off.
Come here.
The Optimus robots will walk among you. Please be nice to the Optimus robots. So you'll be able to walk right up to them,
Ask questions.
and
Someone told you your hands.
they'll serve drinks at the bar,
That's what someone told you. You can ask questions.
and you'll directly.
What do you...
I mean, it's a wild experience just to have humanoid robots, and they're there.
So far, I like the dance.
Oh, you like the dance? Let's do that.
So
Yeah, I want to see that.
with that,
Play
let's
music.
party.
Ready?
Oh, you guys too. If you look at that, the gazebo over there, let's get the party started.
More over there. Yeah.
Party started.
Watch this guy.
Yeah.